Finally, these are the key takeaways from this lesson. Hello everyone, in this video we are going to discuss about another set of flow control statements in Golang, specifically fall through, type switch, multi-value cases and self-init switches. By default, Go automatically breaks out of the switch after the first matching case. However, you can use fall through keyword to explicitly continue to next case regardless of whether the condition of the next case matches. In this example code, we can see that case 1 and case 2 have the fall through keyword as its last line, but we can't see the fall through keyword in case 3. If we have fall through keyword in case 3, it will go to default case as well. Let's run this code and have a look. Here we have our sample code. Here we have integer variable number which initialized using 2, and we have our switch case. As our number equal to 2, case 2 will trigger and it will print number is 2. Then as we have fall through keyword in the case 2, it will go to case 3. Then it will print number is 3. Let's run this code. Then let's try to add this fall through keyword to case 3 as well. Then after printing number is 3, it will print number is something else as well. In Go, you can use switch statement to check the type of an interface variable. This is useful when working with dynamic types or when a function returns an interface. This is the basic structure of type switch. Let's take a look at a sample code and understand this further. In this example, we have our describe function, which takes an interface as its input parameter. Then we have our switch case. In switch, we have i.type, which gets the type of I interface and assign it to v. And according to the v's value, this case will trigger. In the main method, we call describe function with different values of different data types. Let's run this code. Here, as we first call the describe function using 42, it will print this is an int. Then for hello go, it will print this is a string. Then for true, it will print this is a boolean. Let's change this code a bit and try to send a float value here. Then we don't have any case which matches to float, so it will print the default unknown type. A case block can handle multiple values by separating them with commas. In this example, as the first case, we have ABC. If grade matches any of these cases, it will print pass. Otherwise, if grade is DOE, it will print fail. Otherwise, it will go to default case, invalid grade. Here we have our sample code. We have variable grade, which is a string and keeps value B. Then we have our switch, which triggers upon grade value. Then as the first case, we have B, A, B and C. It will print pass. As the second case, we have D and E. which print fail. As the default case, we have invalid grade. Let's run this first. It will print pass because we have B as our grade. Then try to change this to E. Then it will print fail. For any other value like F, it will go to default case and print invalid grade. If we need to add D to first case, make B grade, D grade for pass, we can move it to first case like this and try to change this to D. Then for D, it will print pass. In Golang switch cases, you can include an initialization statement before the switch expression. We can do this in if statements as well. Here in this example, you can see that we declare and initialize age variable inside the switch case block. Let's run this code and take a look. Here we have our regular switch case, which doesn't have any initialization statement inside the switch case block. Let's run this. It will print you are an adult. Let's try to include this initialization statement inside the switch case. For that, we have to initialize it after the switch statement, and after the value we have to add a semicolon, otherwise it will print an error. Same result. In this way we can do the initialization inside the switch case block as well. Finally, these are the key takeaways from this lesson. Use fall through for sequential case execution when needed. Type switch make handling dynamic types easy. A single case can match multiple values. Initialization in switch can reduce boilerplate code.